What's up, guys? Welcome back. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the vlog. Today we're gonna head over to Eco Care Detailing. Man, it's gorgeous out here. Check this out. Beautiful weather out here in Florida. Getting spoiled right here in the wintertime. So we're gonna take my baby out. See if we can get that in the lighting. Yep, she's gonna take me for a ride. See if we can get a nice cold start. It's loud. That's really loud. I don't think my neighbors like it too much. Safety first, always. I need to get another memory card for my GoPro. Look at that. It's got nothing in it. It's empty. I put the memory card in it, in the camera, and I thought I had another memory card somewhere, but I guess I don't. I don't know where it is. I have no idea where it is. Thought I did. Maybe my wife can tell me. I don't know. So either way, we're on our way. Yeah, camera has to be in my left hand because I drive a manual. Either way, it's okay. So my neighbors always like, is that your blue BMW? Yes, my blue BMW, guys. They're like, oh man, it's so loud. Like, sorry. I try to be courteous. I don't really try to speed through the neighborhood, you know. Less speeding I do, the better. Crackling pops. Love it. So my dog in the house, Zoe, the young one, if you saw a previous video, she wants to attack the microphone. It's hilarious. She thinks it's like a toy or some sort. I don't blame her. I mean, it looks like a tail or something, I guess, to her. She gets all excited when I pick the camera up. As soon as I pick it up, she stands up real quick. She's like, "Oh, what's that?" It's so funny, man. She cracks me up. She's staring at the whole time. She won't look at anything else. And I'll put it down on the counter. And then she'll get down onto the floor and she'll look up at it from the floor and then pick it back up. She sits like, you gonna throw it? You gonna throw the toy? She's so funny. Hopefully we can get one of those in the driveway one day soon. Ooh, got lucky here. Look at these guys. Oh, we got M3. Spotted the Beanmobile. Will should be doing some training right now. He just started, I think, today. First day. First day on the job.
We will polish the wheels.
He is training. Hey, look at these guys. Look at these guys.
If you want professional polishing on them, we do have an outside vendor that we use. What do you got, American Forces or Special Force?
They're working on it. Hey guys, we're gonna check this F-150 out. Here, you got the keys? Open up the hood. This thing is supercharged. I gotta teach the kids. I gotta teach my kids.
Look at that whip along that thing.
Look at this supercharger. That's impressive. I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. Just gotta go drive it to the back. They gotta finish cleaning it.
Yeah, I can do it right here.
Oh, he brought the rack right here. Nice. Oh, I forgot to clean out the bed. Got to clean it out.
Keys in the cup holder. Alright, thank you.
Well, take it off.
Got it?
Look, that was, what was that? That was.
Take it easy, man.
Hey, say bye.
See you later. See the M3 crew.
Yeah, look at it. Look at this. Bam. Look at that. Beautiful.
Hey, Johnny.
All right, I'll see you guys later, man. Love that sound. I'm sitting here in Carline. I'm super early. It's 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. He doesn't get out till 3 something. So, and if you noticed, I had the connect new device on my Bluetooth. For some apparent reason, my Bluetooth was connected like normal, but it wasn't playing any music. It's playing. I see it moving. Tracks playing, but no audio. So we're gonna try to reconnect the phone here. Let's see. See if we can get it paired back up, and I deleted both. Let's see if this works out. Hearing code looks good. Magic. See how that works out?
Please proceed to the highlighted route.
Oh. Not really sure why it just navigation trip in there. No, we're not going anywhere, young lady. Cancel navigation.
Guidance has been stopped.
That's easy. So music's back on, so that's good. But obviously, you know, I can't play the music while I'm filming. That's copyright, you know. Unless one of the artists say I can play their music. So I'm gonna shut this off for now because I'm not gonna sit here not listen to any music. Gotta listen to some music. I'd be bored otherwise. So I'm gonna jam some tunes for about an hour, and then we'll get my son, and then we'll be back.
There you go, buddy. Have a good night. Okay.
What's up, buddy?
Hi, Daddy.
How's your day?
Hi. Good.
Sit back, put your seatbelt on.
Okay.
Safety first. How's your day?
Good.
Yeah?
My arm. Jeez.
You had a good day today, huh? Nice.